Let me show you how to use the NFC reader on your iPhone. Now, if you wanted to make a contactless payment or just scan something, I'll show you how to use that. It takes just a couple seconds and you have two different options to do it. Now, the first option is almost always you can initiate that NFC by double clicking the side button. So you can see if I press that side button twice, it will pop up with my NFC card reader. It says hold near reader. And of course, you need a credit card or a debit card already linked to your phone for this to work. However, if that doesn't work for you, there's a way to manually bring it up if that's not working. To be able to do that, swipe down on your iPhone and just type in shortcuts and tap on the Shortcuts app. There's a built-in shortcut that will allow us to do this, so just tap on Automation here at the bottom center and then New Automation. Now, all we need to do is either search for it or scroll down. Right under Bluetooth, there is NFC. It says when I tap an NFC tag, all I need to do here is tap on the Scan button. And it says ready to scan. Hold your device near an NFC tag. And just like that, it will start to scan or detect an NFC reader. If you enjoyed this video, check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like it and it will help you level up your iPhone ability.